Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So excuse this, first of all, I look like a hot mess because today's video has nothing to do with me doing my makeup or me showing myself really. So excuse that, excuse my hair, whatever. Just a quick little intro. So today's video is going to be an old school, old fashioned room tour. I think I had mentioned it before in a video that I was redecorating my room. Because I really didn't have much decor really. I have like seasonal decor, so like I put stuff up for fall and then for winter, but I wanted just like an all year round room renovation. So yeah, I'm gonna do that today and I won't be showing myself. That's why I said I don't care how I look today. But disclaimer, my room is pretty cluttered. I know that, like, it's because I do have a very small room, so I have to make do with what I have. So I have to make what I need to fit, if that makes sense. So it's pretty cluttered, but I think this is as good as we're gonna do, and I am happy with the results. So yeah, let's get started, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe down below, that way you don't miss out on future videos. And let's get started with this video. I feel like it's like old school YouTube. Okay, I have to paint my door because it's like so nasty, but on my door I have this little Friends frame. This was from TJ Maxx. I believe it was only like $6 or something like that. But anyways, when you walk in, another little disclaimer, I have to paint my walls white. They're like so gross and ugly, but I haven't done that. So yeah, but I have this shoe rack here behind my door where I keep most of my sneakers, and then just some random slippers down here. But here's a quick little overview. So I'll do an overview. Marvel's is asleep. So overview of the bedroom. Very small, but it's very doable for now. I'm running out of closet space, but that's okay. Okay, let's get started with I'll start off, no, you know what, let's start off over here. So this is the door, and then I have this next to the door. So I have this little cabinet moment from, what is this called, like a cubby thing from IKEA. I believe it was like $89 or something like that. But I bought these little bins. These are all from, I want to say Target, and I just have a bunch of clothes. Oh my god, I didn't even fix this. Whatever, you guys know it's real and it's messy, but yes, I have all these cabinets with clothes. So all these have clothes because I don't have enough space in my closet. Down there I just have this clear little vase with some face mask, and then I have a candle down there. I just have a current Ulta, what do you call it, like the little booklets that they send, so I just have it there so I can remember to look through it. On top here, so this is a table runner. I got this from Didi's discount store. It was very cheap, maybe like $6-7. But I wanted a little bit of pink to tie in with my pink bedspread that I have. So yeah, I have this. Up here I just have some Febreze and then the water that I was drinking. And then in the middle, I wanted a cute tray for my room, but I honestly could not find one. So I got this off of the kitchen section at Walmart. So I believe it's to like organize like your spoons and forks, utensils and stuff like that. But hey, it works. It looks cute. If I wouldn't have told you, you would never know. So yeah, that was only like $4 or $5. And then I have this cute little heart plant from Didi's discount as well, which was like $7, I think. Go to Didi's, like Ross and TJ Maxx, and you can find a lot of these things. I just have a cute white candle that I do not burn. It's just for aesthetic purposes. I just thought it was really cute. It has kind of like a wooden look to it. And then a cute little vase here. I believe this was either from Dollar Tree or Walmart. I don't remember. And some little fake flowers. So that's the decor that we got going on. I wanted to keep it very minimal, and I wanted like the runner to be kind of like the main thing. And then just a simple item in the middle. So that's what I did there. And then obviously my TV is hung up here. We won't show all those holes over there that my dad made. Here I have this really old, gross drawer like organizer. I used to have all my makeup here before my collection got like super big. So now I just have like all my brushes in here. So these are all clean brushes. I have too many. I have some skincare in here, so moisturizers, makeup wipes, all that good stuff. And then in this one I just have other random things, so like razors, gum, mints, stuff like that. My lipsticks are here because I barely have any because I don't really use any. We have some jewelry and then nail stuff down there. And then up here, I have this little, it's not a perfume organizer. I believe this is for like cupcakes. I got this off of Target. I believe yeah, Target? Yeah, I think it was like $5 in like their cheaper section. But I have all my perfumes here. So we have Ariana Grande. I have, so which one's this one? Thank You Next. We have Rem and Goddess of Woman. I think those are the names. I don't know. We have Versace, Juicy Couture over here, one from Amazon that I love. We have Marc Jacobs. We have Kim K, a couple Kim K's, and then more Versace down there. So yeah, perfumes there. And then obviously here I have my Alex drawers from IKEA, which is where I have all of my makeup. And I have a couple makeup collection videos, which it has changed. It keeps changing, honestly, like every month or so, because I keep adding makeup or I keep decluttering it. So I have a couple videos. I will try to remember to link one below. You can just go to my channel and look at that if you were interested in seeing what I have in here. But I'm gonna do a new one soon. But up here I just have a bunch of new makeup. So these three are just like glitter and little eyeshadow palettes, but these three right here, these are from Target as well. These are just all filled with new makeup that I need to test out. I just have some lotion, body spray, and my deodorant. Some flowers that my boyfriend gave me for Valentine's Day. Super cute. They're just chilling there. This little thing was my sister, so I don't know where she got it. I think she got it at Ross or TJ Maxx, but I just have my necklaces up here and some bracelets. And then this door leads to my bathroom. So I have another one of those shoe hanging rack things. So on here I have all my shoes that I wear for work. So all my like heeled booties and then like flat booties that I wear for work as well. So just all that and some slippers on the bottom. And then I just have my fluffy pink soft robe hanging up here. I think I just got this for free with an Ulta purchase. Closet, I will not do that to you guys. I will not open that because it is a hot mess in there. Don't mind that. I don't know what happened. Like it broke one time that I was trying to open my closet. I don't know. It's just a mess. But this bag is filled with Empties products because I'm going to film an Empties video soon. So that's why it's chilling down there. So let's move on to this side of the bed. So I have one of these bedside tables. It's so ugly, you guys. It's from IKEA and it just comes like a light wooden tone. So my little sister painted them white for me, but obviously it needs another paint job and it's like all scratched up and gross, but they'll do for now. I'm gonna just keep this until I decide to move out and buy new ones, but I'm just gonna make do with what I have for now. I put this little like paper from Lowe's. As you can tell, I did a really bad job, but just to cover up how bad it looked from the top. This is a, what do you call it? Place mat for like a table, kitchen table that I got at Walmart because I was going to use this right there in the middle, but I found that tray, but I still kept this one. So, I just have this little heart tray here and I used to keep my jewelry in here, but now I just keep it on my bedside and I will keep my wallet with all my, cards and my keys and stuff. I have some Tommy Hilfiger sunglasses. I have my Instax mini camera. I don't have any film, so I don't really use it. I have a little friend's notebook down here. How cute is that? And then I have a pen somewhere in here as well. Moving on to the bed. So, I got this, what do you call it? Bedspread, quill. What do you call these? I don't even know. Off of Amazon. It's super soft. It's like a very light pink shade. So soft, you guys. It's so soft from the inside. As you can see, it's like a Sherpa quilt slash blanket. So I use it as my bedspread and also as my blanket because it's so soft and warm and toasty. I just have some white basic pillows back there because I don't have any pillow covers. I need to buy some. I want to buy some silk ones. And then I have a big pink fluffy pillow in the back that's from Walmart. These two are from IKEA. They were super affordable, but they're so cheap, honestly. Like, they're so flat. I need better pillows. My curtains, I just have some basic white curtains, and those are from, I want to say, Big Lots, maybe? I believe they're from Big Lots. And then let's move on to my other drawer here. So, I have, oh, by the way, my lamps. I have one over there too, but it doesn't have a light bulb. It's just kind of to balance it out. I'm like, I don't know why I don't use that one. And I also have the, what do you call it? the lamp, what is that called? You guys know what I'm talking about, but I don't know. I don't put it because it's brighter, obviously, without it. The lamp head? I don't know. But yeah, these are from, I want to say Target. I think they're from Target. And on this side, which is my main, this is also like dirty already, but I did the same thing as the other one. This is from Target. I believe it's like an organizer for like pencils, markers, and stuff like that for like school, like teachers and stuff, or students or whatever. But I got it, and I was gonna use it for makeup brushes, but it wasn't ideal for me, because I have my makeup brushes over there now. So honestly, this has been working perfectly to have it on my bedside table and keep all my necessities. So I have my water bottle, which I need to start using because I just get so lazy. So I just get like water bottles, plastic water bottles, which I know I shouldn't use, but yes. So what I just keep my water here, super convenient, and it doesn't look super cluttered right here because it's all in one convenient spot altogether. I have my glasses cleaner. I have my remote for my TV. I have some hand sanitizer, some Q-tips down there. More hand sanitizer, and I usually have my headphones here too, and then I just have my hair clip right here. But yeah, there's also my Apple Watch charger down there. So this corner is pretty cluttered because this is kind of just a little extra corner where I keep all my junk. So obviously trash can right here. Does anybody else, is it just Hispanic people that do this, but they use like grocery bags or like stores bags from like the store to use it as a trash bag? I have this drawer here. My mom gave it to me, so I don't know where she got it, but you can literally get this anywhere, Walmart, Target, anywhere. I have my little calendar over there, and then my tripod is sitting up there. Sorry, it's blurry, but I'm like, maybe I shouldn't be showing my calendar. I have this heater because it gets cold in the morning sometimes, but it's not cold enough to turn on like the actual heater, so that's that. This is stuff that my boyfriend has gotten me, so he always usually gets me like a little box for like every holiday, every occasion, and he'll fill it up with goodies. So I have one that he gave me down there for my birthday, and then one for Christmas, some chocolate that he gave me, a little stuffed dog, and then this little flower bear that he gave me. Let me really quick, I forgot to mention these. So these on the side right here are from, I want to say, where did I get them? TJ Maxx. I got them at TJ Maxx. So it was a set, and I got them for like $50, I want to say, so 25 each. Super cute. And I don't have anything else black in the room, so I'll show you guys right now what I want to do. But let's move on to my favorite wall of the room, you guys. I love this so much. Look at how pretty this is. Okay, so let's start off with the shelves right here. So these are from Target. The plants, both plants are from Target. No. Sorry, the shelves are from Amazon. The plants are from Target. The little frame right there is from Dollar Tree. It's so cute. It fit perfectly. This mirror, I still have a sticker there because I can't peel it off. I need to do like, I think there's like you put hot water or so. I don't know. I'm going to look it up. But this mirror is from Ross, I believe. Yes, Ross, the sticker's right there. I want to paint the outside like frame black so I can tie in with that, so I can have more black because that's the only black accents I have in the room. And then the other shelves here. So this little plant is also from Target. Whew, I'm out of breath. And then this little heart decor here, my manager gave it to me at work for Christmas. It says, "The road to my heart is paved with paw prints," and that is 1000% true. I love my little baby over here. And then on this one, I didn't know what to put, so for now, or honestly, I think I might just keep it. I like it. It looks cute, but I feel like it doesn't go, obviously, like with the vibe or aesthetic that I'm trying to go with. I need like another plant or, I don't know, some little flowers, something. But it looks cute for now. I have a little Monica and a little Rachel on there. So cute. But this is literally, I don't know, it's just so aesthetically pleasing to me. It's my favorite wall. And then moving on to my makeup table. So on here, my boyfriend gave me this for Valentine's Day. It's a rose inside this glass ball with water. It's so cute. This is gonna stay there and live there. I have like a candle lid, but I use it like as my coaster when I'm drinking my coffee. That way my table doesn't get dirty because I'm trying to take care of this one a little better. And then this clear jar is from Ross. It's so nice. It's really good quality. It's glass. And it has like little rhinestones here. So I decided to put all my beauty sponges in here. I still have more. So I went back the other day to get another one and they were out. Everyone had snatched them. So yeah, my chair, it's disgusting. That's why it's covered with a blanket. It's from IKEA, but it's literally disgusting. This is also from IKEA, by the way. This was like I want to say maybe like $80, but it's super spacious. So it has this drawer here, which I have all my lashes in. It has this for more storage, which I have a bunch of junk in. And it also comes with this one, which I have all my foundations, concealers, just all this junk in here. Did I miss anything? I think that's it, you guys. That's the end of this. So a really quick room tour because I don't he's so cute. Because I don't have a huge room or anything, and I don't have a lot of things. Well, I do have a lot of things, but like it's a small room, so I can't. You know what I mean? Whatever. But anyways, that is it. So another quick little overview of the room. Hope you guys enjoy this old school video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.